Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Deepthi, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In this, we will explore ArrayUtil, a powerful utility in ServiceNow that provides built-in methods to work with arrays more effectively and cleanly in script. Firstly, what is ArrayUtil? In JavaScript, an ArrayUtil is used to store multiple values in a single variable. However, in ServiceNow, there is a built-in class called ArrayUtil which offers several helpful methods for managing. Think of an ArrayUtil as a handy toolbox that make it easier to compare, match, or clean up. List the data without writing long custom logic. Firstly, creating an array object. Before using its method, an instance of ArrayUtil must be created. For example, once created, this AU object can be used to call an ArrayUtil method. Commonly, ArrayUtil methods are, let's go through. The most commonly used array methods with simple example for each one. First one, unique array. Unique array means remove duplicate elements from an array and returns a new array without only unique value. This is the example for unique array. Let's run the code. Here we can see the output of this code. Next one, union array. It combines two arrays and remove duplicate automatically. This is the example of union array. Here we can see the union for AU variable. Let's run the script. This is the output of this script. Next one, intersect array. It means it finds elements that can common to both arrays. This is the example of intersect array. Here we can see the AU variable can see the intersect array to group A and group B. Let's run the code. Here we can see the B and C are the output of this code. Next one, difference of array 1 and array 2. It means return element that exist in the first array but not in the second one. This is the example of different. Here we can see the AU variable for the different of set1 and set2. Then we can run this script. We can see 1 and 2 are the output. Next one, contains array. It contains array and value. It means check the whether a specific value exists inside an array. It returns true or false. This is the example of contains array. It contains array and value. Here, array means fruits and mango is value, and it contains the both value and array. Let's run the script. Here we can see the true for our script. Next one, concat array 1 and 2. It means merge two arrays into one, keeping duplicates. This is the example of concat array. Here, array 1, array 2 are combined and then run the script. Here we can see the output of the code. Step-by-step summary of JavaUtil methods. First one, unique. Unique means it removes duplicate. Next one, union. Union means combines arrays and remove duplicates. Next one, intersect. It means finds the common elements. Next one, difference. It finds item in the second array. Next one, contains. It means check if an value exists. Lastly, concat. It combines arrays. That means keep duplicates. Now, try to create a short script for this. First one, create two arrays with some overlapping values. Second one, use ArrayUtil to find the common and unique values or elements. Third one, print the result using the gs.print. I will give the hint for this requirement. This is the hint for that. This concludes the section on ArrayUtil and its methods in JavaScript for ServiceNow scripting. Here, ArrayUtil is a simple yet powerful class that helps manage list of data, whether it's removing duplicates, merging arrays, or finding difference between two sets. Thanks for watching. If this section can helpful for you, keep like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.